KB, Fada knows best. And I'm doing what I do best, man. It's called bowling. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I know what this is. It's about 15, 16 pounds. You know what I'm saying? And I launch it down the lane. You know what I'm saying? I do. Apparently, over Twitter and all types of social media, we got people down at DMV talking a little smack, aka Darren, BSLR. You know what I'm saying? Ty Sid, BSLR. You know what I'm saying? We family and all that. But when it comes to this bowling thing, you're gonna have to think again. You know what I'm saying? I don't care how much cake Darren got. I'm just saying. Oh, hey, BSLR. Radio Network fam. How y'all doing? Just in case y'all thought I was joking about this. You know what I'm saying? This is an 8-pound house ball. Okay? It's our house ball. Y'all may not have seen this before. I don't know. I'm just trying to help y'all out. But I don't have to go all the way up because it's automatic. I'm just letting you guys know. I don't play games like that. Oh, that's the money right there. That's money right there.
My ambitions as a rider. I'm a straight rider. My ambitions as a rider.
Yo, BSLR, Darren, Ty, y'all don't want to see me right now. Y'all don't want to see me right now. I'm out there, man. Show them the end result.